Joint Inspection Unit. It is a unit of United Nations. It is created by UNGA, United Nations General Assembly, and it has the members of 28 organizations of the UN. What is its task? As the name suggests, Joint Inspection Unit. So they take on the spot inquiries and investigations. It has not more than 11 inspectors. So they undertake on the spot investigations and inquiries. So it is a way to enhance the efficiency of the administrative and financial functions of the United Nations. Read about this. It is established by resolution this not required in 1976. Yes, it is established in 1976 from the previous point of view by United Nations General Assembly. Headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. And what is its objective? To enhance the efficiency of the administrative and financial functioning of the UN. Obviously, when they make on the spot investigations and inquiries, so therefore everything will be on the toes. There will be more efficiency financially and administratively. And it has 28 member organization of the UN, and it provides support in context of oversight functions including human, financial and other resources. It identifies best practices, proposes benchmark and facilitates information sharing. And have a brief look at the history, though it is not relevant that much. It is created on experimental basis in 1966. Okay, not required. By resolution this of we have read this of 1976. Joint Inspection Unit was created, and it is the independent external oversight body of the United Nations system. And what is its composition? Have a look. It comprised not more than 11 inspectors, including one chairman and one vice chairman. And funding takes place from the regular budget of the United Nations. Thank you.